awesome, unbiased, and very transparent system of awarding some of the CSR projects in India. The kind of jury they bring in the table, the assessors, a kind of assessment trigger is into this award ceremony award process is awesome.
We have been shortlisted for CSR Journal Excellence Award for our integrated watershed management projects implemented in Hata block of Damoh district in Madhya Pradesh.
In this edition of CSR Journal Excellence Award, we participated in environment category. Our program perfectly aligns in this category and its motto, as it is our constant endeavor to bring about change in the society in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
We are very thankful to CSR Journal for giving us an opportunity to participate in these awards. And the process has been excellent right from the word go, whether it is screening of initial applications or conducting the shortlisted interviews. All these things were very good.
Together, we have joined with the nation, joined with the people to defeat COVID-19, and this is our commitment from Jindal Steel and Power and JSPL Foundation.
For us, this recognition means a lot, and it is actually an honor to get shortlisted at this coveted CSR Excellence Awards.
At the onset, we are thrilled that our public-private partnership with the Government of Goa to create awareness about diabetes and other non-communicable diseases has found a prestigious spot in the top 3 under the category of health and sanitation at the CSR Journal Awards 2021.
It is my pleasure to be nominated as one of the top 3 contestants in the category of health and sanitation. The application process for this award was very simple, wherein we need to answer certain questions with respect to your CSR project, followed by presentations and question and answers round.